Hello, my sweet little kids. How are you? Kids, it's time to celebrate the color of the month. And this time I have chosen orange color. Can you tell me some things which are orange in color? No. Okay, I will show you some object related to orange color. Kids, tell me what is this? Yes, orange, and it's a fruit. And what is the color of orange fruit? Yes, orange. Very good. Now the next picture is of balloons. How many kids like balloon? Tell me. Very good. Now tell me the color of balloon. It's again orange. Very good. Oops. Who is he? Kids, do you know him? Yes, it's Chota Bheem. And now tell me, which color of dress Chota Bheem wear? Orange color. Very good. And which color of laddu he eats? Yes, orange color. And after eating laddu of orange color, he become very strong. Right now? Okay, so you should also eat laddu. Now let's see the next picture. What is this? Yes, it's umbrella, and its umbrella is of orange color. How it help us? It save us from rain. Very good. Now the next one is mask. What is the color? Yes, orange color. Are you using the mask when you are going outside? Yes, you should wear the mask when you go outside. And one thing remember, you don't have to touch anything. Very good. Now the next one is fish. What is the color of the fish? Orange color. How beautiful, na? Very good. Now the next one, let's see what come next. It's turn off kite. What is the color? Orange color. Today everything is orange in color, right now? How beautiful the kite is? Okay. Kids, today we have seen many objects which are orange in color. Now it's your turn to find one object of orange color and click a picture of it, and what next? You will send it on the school WhatsApp number. Okay? Have a nice day.